Starting an LLC in Nevada is an exciting step, and it's easy to see why this state is such a popular choice for entrepreneurs. With no corporate income tax, strong privacy protections, and a business-friendly environment, Nevada is a great option for setting up your LLC. But now comes the big decision. Should you take the DIY route and handle the process yourself, or use a paid service like Tailor Brands to make things easier? In this video, I'll guide you through both methods so you can decide which one works best for your business. So first, why choose Nevada? Now, before we dive into the steps, let's talk about why Nevada is such a great place to form an LLC. First, Nevada doesn't have a corporate or personal income tax. This can save you a lot of money, especially if your business is successful. Second, Nevada offers strong privacy protections. Unlike many other states, Nevada doesn't require LLC owners to disclose their personal information in public filings. That means your name and address stay private. Lastly, Nevada has a pro-business legal system and regulatory environment. If you're looking for a state that supports entrepreneurs, this is a solid choice. If you're comfortable handling paperwork and want to save money, the DIY route is a great option. Here's how you can set up your LLC in Nevada step by step. First, choose a unique name for your LLC. It must include LLC or limited liability company and be distinguishable from other registered businesses in Nevada. You can check the Nevada Secretary of State's website to confirm name availability. Next, you'll need to appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is someone who can receive legal documents on behalf of your business. You can be your own registered agent if you live in Nevada, or you can hire a professional service to handle this role. Then you'll need to file the Articles of Organization. This is the official document that makes your LLC legal. You can file online or by mail through the Nevada Secretary of State, and the filing fee is $425. Yes, Nevada's fees are higher than some states, but they include other necessary registrations like the state business license. Once your LLC is formed, you'll want to create an operating agreement. This document outlines how your LLC will be managed, who owns what, and how decisions will be made. While it's not legally required in Nevada, it's a good idea to have one. Finally, you'll need to get an EIN, Employer Identification Number, from IRS. This is free and is required for opening a business bank account, hiring employees, and handling taxes. The DIY method is a good choice if you have the time and don't mind navigating Nevada's requirements on your own. If you're looking for a more convenient and stress-free way to form your LLC, Tailor Brands can handle everything for you. First, visit their website using the discount link in the description or pinned comment. Once there, you'll fill out a short form with details about your business, such as its name, address, and type of operation. Tailor Brands will take care of filing your Articles of Organization with the Nevada Secretary of State, ensuring everything is done correctly. They can also act as your registered agent if you need one, which saves you from managing this responsibility. Additionally, they'll help you create an operating agreement and assist with obtaining your EIN. These steps are crucial for getting your business fully operational and compliant with state and federal laws. But Tailor Brands doesn't stop there. They also offer branding tools like a logo maker, website builder, and other resources to help your business stand out. With Tailor Brands, you're not just forming an LLC, you're building a professional brand. While there's a cost involved, the convenience and added tools make it a worthwhile investment for many entrepreneurs. Plus, with the discount link, you can save while getting everything done efficiently. Choosing between the DIY route and Tailor Brands really depends on your priorities. If you're on a tight budget and don't mind putting in the time to research and complete the steps yourself, the DIY method is a good way to save money. Just be prepared to handle all the details and double-check everything. If you value convenience, want to ensure everything is done correctly, and prefer to focus on growing your business instead of dealing with paperwork, Tailor Brands is the better choice. They simplify the entire process and provide additional tools to help your business succeed. Starting an LLC in Nevada is a great way to protect your personal assets and take advantage of the state's business-friendly benefits. Whether you choose the DIY method or go with Tailor Brands, the key is to take action and get started. If you're ready to make the process easier, check out the discount link down below and start today.